Hello friends, welcome back to Sri's tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn concatenate function in Excel. What is this concatenate function actually? This concatenate function we use to combine text from two or more cells into one cell. So we use this function to combine the text from two or more cells into one cell. Now here, see here, I have some data. Now in this data, I have the first name and last name. Now I want the full name. So full name means I have to combine these two cells and I have to keep here as a full name. So do you think again we need to type here, say suppose Krishna Acharya. So here again do we need to type? No. Here we can apply the concatenate function to join these two cells, to combine these two cells. Now how will you apply? So here I will say is equal to concatenate, and then text 1 and text 2 and so on. So you can combine two or more cells in this using this function. So here I am using the cell B2. This is the cell 1, that is first name, comma, and then the last name, and then I will close the brackets and I will press enter key. So here you can see when I said concatenate these two names here, Krishna Acharya, but have you observed here there is no space between these two names? So I want to keep some space. So how will you apply that? To apply that, again we need to go back to the formula. I will show you once again how to. Before going to take the text 2, here I will say double quotes, space, again double quotes, and then comma to give some space between these two words, two names. Now here I will say C2 and then close the bracket. Enter. Now friends, you can observe there is enough sufficient space between these two names. So hope it's clear. Now if you want to apply some hyphen or something else here in between these two names, so that also you can do easily. Just what you have to do is in between these two double quotes, just you need to keep the hyphen symbol. Just keep the hyphen symbol and press enter key. So here you can see you will get hyphen between these two words. So like this you can apply concatenate function, and the same if you want for all the cells, just you need to select and drag it. So this is the way you can combine two or more cells using this concatenate function. Now here I want these names in uppercase. Upper means all in capital letters. Now how will you apply that? To apply uppercase, again we have to use the formula is equal to upper and then text. So here I am using this text B2 and then enter. So here you can see all the letters are in capital, and the same you can apply for all the cells. Now here same way lowercase. So for this also you have to say is equal to lowercase, lower, and then text. So here I will say suppose I want to say this Acharya and then close, enter. So here you can see all the letters are in small. So this is to apply the lowercase formula in Excel. Now what is this proper case? Proper case, in proper case you will get only the first letter will be in the capital and the remaining letters will be small. So for that you have to say is equal to proper case, proper, and then text. So here I will use this name so that it will be easy to understand. So here you can see the first letter will be capital and the remaining letters will be small. So this is the way you can apply uppercase, lowercase. Now you can see the first letter will be capital and the remaining letters will be small. So this is the way you can apply uppercase, lowercase. Now how to apply uppercase along with this concatenate function? So you want to apply apply all the letters should be capital with using this concatenate function. So for that here I will show you how to apply. I will say is equal to upper and then concatenate and then we have to take the B2, comma, and now I want space in between, so I will say double quotes, space, double quotes. If you want to keep hyphen, if you want hyphen in between, you can keep hyphen here, and then comma, and then C2, and then close the bracket. So here we have used two brackets. So for closing also, two brackets we have to use, two open brackets or two closing brackets. Enter. So here you can see all the letters in uppercase, Krishna Acharya. So here all the letters are in capital. So you can drag it if you want to apply the same for all the cells. Same way, if you want to apply lowercase with concatenate function, here also we have to say is equal to lower and then concatenate and then text 1, this is B2, comma, double quotes, hyphen if you want to keep in between, again double quotes, comma, and then C2, right? And then two brackets. So here you can see lowercase. So this is you will get in lowercase. So all the letters are in lowercase, means small letters. Now the same thing you want to apply in all the cells, click and drag it. So same way in proper. Also if you want to apply proper case, so here automatically you can see, I will show you once again how to apply this proper case. So the first letter will be capital. So here I will say is equal to proper and then concatenate and then text 1. What is text 1? Here it is. And then comma, double quotes, hyphen, and then comma, and then C2. And then two open brackets, close brackets, enter. So here you can see proper case means the first letter of the word will be in capital. So this is the way you can apply concatenate function in Excel. Uppercase, lowercase and concatenate function in Excel. So friends, hope it's